Let's just take a listen to just the sound design and what it gave us here. All right, so I'm going to stop right there for a second because the first thing I noticed is that it sounds a little too intense to my liking. But not a problem. So instead of having to delete and start that all over again, I could just go to our replacement window here, and I'm going to set the intensity to about 1 and 2 because I want the sound design elements to be underneath the music a little bit. And I just go to select on the timeline here, and I can select just all of our sound design and then replace it by pressing Command R. And now Audio Design Desk is going to give us more subtle sounds. So let's take a listen.